In December 2024, Kenya was gripped by fear and uncertainty as 6 young men mysteriously disappeared. Known for their outspoken criticism of the government, their sudden vanishing left families distraught and the nation in shock. These were not just disappearances, they were abductions that ignited a nationwide outcry, raising fears of a crackdown on dissenting voices. The mystery deepens. As days turned into weeks,
Gerard Mwangi Karicha.
Gerard
Mwangi Karicha.
Mwangi Karicha.
Ndio.
Na mtoto wako ni?
Mtoto wangu anaitwa Gideon Mwangi.
Ni Mwangi ambaye ni fourth petition. Mzee, endelea.
Mtoto wangu alichukuliwa kwa kinyozi on 21st Saturday.
grew. Were these abductions orchestrated by shadowy forces seeking to silence criticism, or were they victims of criminal networks exploiting political instability? Human rights organizations raised their voices, while families pleaded for the safe return of their loved ones. Public outcry and government silence. The abductions sparked outrage across Kenya. Protests erupted in cities nationwide as citizens demanded answers from the government. Yet, officials, including President William Ruto, maintained an unsettling silence. Opposition leaders and
The preliminary report is that the young man is traumatized, seriously traumatized.
Kwa majina naitwa Gideon Kibet, kwa Twitter najulikana kama Yoko or Kibet Bull. So nilikuwa nataka ni confirmie Kenyans kuwa niko safe na nimefika nyumbani salama.
Analysts condemned the lack of action, fueling suspicions of deeper political motives behind the abductions. The sudden return. Then, in early January 2025, a shocking twist unfolded. 5 of the 6 young men were released under mysterious circumstances. They appeared disoriented, malnourished, and unable to recount the full details of their ordeal. Their return brought relief, but it also deepened the mystery. Who had taken them, and why were they suddenly released? The missing 6th and the quest for answers. While 5 returned, Steve Mbisi remains missing. His family continues their desperate search, holding on to hope that he will be found alive. The circumstances surrounding these abductions and the sudden release raise unsettling questions. Who orchestrated this? Why were these individuals targeted? And what does this mean for Kenya's fragile democracy? A call for justice. As Kenya grapples with these haunting events, the fight for justice continues. Families, activists, and citizens demand answers, accountability, and a renewed commitment to protecting the freedoms of all. Who is responsible? Where is Steve Mbisi? The truth must come out.